Hello students, today I am going to discuss decision control structure. While executing programs, sometimes it becomes necessary to change the order of execution of some statements or to repeat a particular set of statements subject to a given condition. These kinds of conditions require some logical decision. Even in our daily life, any decision that we make depends on some conditions being met. For example, our plan for going to a theater will depend on some conditions. That is, availability of tickets, available or not available. This means if the tickets are available, then we can go for the theater, otherwise we have to drop the idea. That means if the tickets are not available, means we have to drop the idea. Similarly, a computer also decides about the actions depending on the condition being true or false. In Java, conditional control structure are categorized as selection control structure, if else, if, ternary operator that I have already discussed, and switch. Looping control structure, for, while, and do while. Jumping control structure, break and continue. Now we are having if control structure. The statement containing if is referred to as bidirectional branching because it executes the block of statements depending on the conditional expression. The conditional expression consists of relational and or logical operators and must evaluate to either true or false. It can be used in many ways in a program. If statement, if else statement, if else if ladder. Now, if statement. The if statement is used to execute a statement or block of statements if the condition is true. Otherwise, it ignores the condition. It means if the condition is false, then the execution of statements in the body of if is skipped from the execution. The general syntax of if statement is as follows. If Boolean expression, Java statements. Now here, if this Boolean expression is true, then the control will come over here. If this Boolean expression is false, the control will reach here. Now we will see one example of this. Write a Java program to check whether the entered number is greater than 3 using the if statement. Here we have taken the class name as check. Public static void main, all of you know this. Int n. Here we are going to read the value of n during runtime. Let us suppose that value of n is 4. So what will happen? If 4 is more than 3, mind it, this is true. What will happen? Control will reach over here and it will print 4 is greater than 3. Now we'll check it. Second option, type here 4, click on OK. Here you can see 4 is greater than 3. Now we are having if else. The if else is a logical situation where either of the two conditions are to be performed depending on the specific condition. If the condition evaluates to true, then the statements written inside the body of if block are executed. Otherwise, the statements in the else block get executed. That means if the condition evaluates to false. The general syntax of if-else is as follows. If Boolean expression, Java statements, else Java statements. Now we will see one Java program for this. Here the question is to find the greater of two numbers. Here class name is greater, public static void main string args, all of you know this. Now here I have taken value of a as 2 and b as 3 of data type int. Here you can check 2 is more than 3. Mind it, this is false. What will happen? The control will not come over here, rather it will reach the else part. So what it will print? B is greater. What is the value of B? That is 3. 3 is greater. Now we will check this. Compile it. Right click over here. Second option. Click on OK. Here you can see 3 is greater. Now we will see if else if ladder. The if else if ladder is an extension of if else conditional branching statement. It is used when we have to check multiple conditions before taking a decision. The if else if ladder provides a proper skeleton to check multiple conditions, where every condition has a block of statements within itself. If the condition written inside the if block is true, the statement associated with that if gets executed and the rest of the ladder is bypassed. If none of the conditions is true, then the final else statement will be executed. The final else acts as a default condition. That is, if all other conditional tests fail, then the last else statement is performed. If there is no final else and all other conditions are false, then no action will take place. General syntax. If Boolean expression, Java statements. If Boolean expression, Java statements. Else Java statements. Now we'll see it through one Java program. Here we are having one question to find the greatest of three numbers. Class gr_3 nos, public static void main string args, all of you know this. Now here we have taken value of a as 2, b as 3 and c as 4 of data type int. Now here we are checking 2 is more than 3 and 2 is more than 4. Mind it, this one is false and this one is also false. So the final outcome is false. What will happen? Control will reach this part. Here it will check 3 is more than 4. Mind it, this is also false. What will happen? Control will come over here and it will print C is greatest. What is the value of C? 4. So it will print 4 is greatest. Now we will check this. Right click over here, second option, click on OK. Here you can see 4 is greatest. Thank you.